called the doctor. I said, I got an addiction to birds. He said, don't worry, it won't last long. Don't take any pills or any medication, it will pass. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Happy Tuesday to you. Hope you guys are having a fabulous start of the new week. Very nice and sunny here in Sheffield, quite nice and warm. Wearing short sleeve and shorts, making the most of it. Right, so today I am here to showcase the August VIP kit that is part of my VIP subscription. In case you're the first time you're watching this video and my channel, hello, my name is Antonio and I have a website when I sell digital kit, and this kit that you see today unfortunately is not available to every single one of you. It's only available for the lovely ladies that have subscribed to my VIP membership. The VIP membership is a subscription for 12 months. It activates of the month that you subscribe. So for example, if you subscribe today, you will get August kit, September, October, November, December, January, March, April, May, June, and July, and August for next year. Okay, so you get 12 kit from the month that you join the subscription. Also in the VIP package, you get a 20% off personal discount across any kits on the website. So anything that you want from 1 year, you get 20% off. Okay, and every single month you get a kit that is just simply specifically designed for you guys, and another offer. So it's an offer that changes every month. Okay, so before I show you this month kit, I just want to show you July kit, which of course is not available anymore. So this July kit was called Monochrome Madness. So when I designed it, I thought to do something black and white. Okay, so really quickly, because you saw a video of this as well. So basically guys, a couple of months ago, I have designed 12 kits. These 12 kits are not going to go on the website for everybody to enjoy, but it's specifically for the VIP membership. It's just a little treat for an exclusive offer that I do on my website. Okay, I love this. So unfortunately this black and white madness is not available anymore, but you can get today's kit if you join now. So you can join anytime, any day in August. You get this kit. So this was July and this was June. Of course I started in June. So this was called Flirty Flowers, and it's a collection inspired by flowers and birds. I have a think about birds now. I'm hoping it's gonna pass because I'm obsessed. And as you can see, it's a very versatile kit. You got embellishment, gift boxes, tags. I mean, look at these paper doilies. Background, you get some floral embellishments, so you can make 3D flowers using these petals, tags. So yeah, love this. This is very me, very me. Contrast of prettiness, cuteness, and something a bit more dramatic like these colors here. So yeah, so more tags, couple of pockets for your junk journal, corner pockets, some envelopes. Yeah, so you get all sorts of different things. So if you join this month, so you can join from any time in the month, you will get this kit, and then you will get September, October, etc. So you won't get the two kits I just showed you because they were past months. So you get this August plus the next. So when I designed this kit, the starting point was some alcohol ink that I made. So I scanned it and then I altered it, making it a bit darker. So I created this digital effect, but the starting point was alcohol inks. And then I've added some embellishments. So we've got some butterflies here, and I love the contrast with the black and pink and peach on the background with these pink and purpley on there. Then this is another alcohol ink background, so I just put some flowers in it. Look at that, so cute, so cute. Then there is another page with some watercolor flowers on an alcohol ink background. This is more settled. As you can see, there is a bit of green, a bit of pink. Then of course birds. I don't know why. It's gonna pass. I'm sure it's gonna pass. Called the doctor. I said I got an addiction to birds. He said don't worry, it won't last long. Don't take any pills or any medication, it will pass. So yeah, we're all safe, all good to go. Then this is probably my favorite page in the entire kit. So we got a beautiful bluebird, I don't know what you can see, on some berries, and in the background is some ephemera with some flowers, some layering, and then I just put some doilies. Then another one with birds. So this could be like nice pages for your journal or amazing envelopes. You could do gift boxes. Of course, it wouldn't be me without my butterflies. Those two are part of my new bubbly butterfly fussy cat. So if you go to my website, www.antoniomex.com, on the homepage you'll see the new kits. So watch out, because I just published 8 new kits, so go and have a look. Post this video, go and have a look. I'm kidding. So they are part of that, of the new kit. They're more like autumnal butterflies. Okay, that's another page when I play with some botanical background, some more flora, some more birds, and of course I make some tags. Now on here, what I wanted to do, guys, I wanted to create different size tags for you to enjoy, because I saw on Pinterest, somebody did, it was quite clever actually. It was a layering on tags, so you had like extra large, large, medium, small. So it was like a 3D tags effect made with layering and foam pads in between the layers. It was really clever. So I thought I'd give you different dimensions so you guys can play with it. Then a page with an envelope, a little ephemera, a little card, and some little bobbins for your threads, just as a little embellishment. Look at that, love it. And then last page is for cards that you can use as a greeting cards, or like we're gonna do today, we're gonna make some postcards. Right, where is it? Here. So I started not long ago. I want to fill this with postcards. I made 2 so far, so that's 1. Do you remember when I made this by mistake that I didn't check when I was stenciling? So that's that. And then I got a similar one. These, I think, I put the link down below. This is this kit is the Pretty in Pink digital kit with my butterflies. Yeah, that's the right size because the stamp is on your right hand side. So I thought we're going to do a series together of postcards, and then we're going to put in this album here. So I bought this into like a vintage market, and I just put a sticker on top. But basically, this, do you remember, guys, during the 90s and the 80s, we used to have these photo albums, so you can put your photos in there. So I thought that's a really nice idea to store some postcards that we're gonna make together. Okay, so let me cut this, get the postcards ready, and we're gonna do some gluing together. Right, done. Let me show you what I made, and let me show you what I used as well. So you saw me using this several times. Yes, don't yawn. I've seen it. It's not nice. But remember, I don't know who need to hear this, but you don't have to hoard things. You need to buy things and use them until they just need to go in the bin because you use them too much. So, and this is one of them. I have this for a very long time and I keep using it. I mean, it's battered. it's literally falling apart, but it's still still going, so I'll keep using it. But don't yawn, I saw you pulling that face. But yeah, we got to use things. So, and then I have used, oh sorry, I didn't tell you what it was. Everydayjournaling.com is a postcard stencil, but you can buy them anywhere. So what I normally do, I stencil that on some craft paper. Okay, so you just put that, and then I used the distress ink from the Ranger, that's the vintage photo, and I have used one of my finger sponges. So I use some of these, like, and then you get the effect of the postcard. And then I have used, this is I bought from an antique market. A vintage market is a collection of tons and tons and tons and tons of stamps from all different countries in the world. So that will keep me going until I retired, I guess. It's huge, it's a huge bag. Okay, so it shows you that. You can go there. Like, let me show you the postcard. Let's zoom in. Kept it very simple, literally, because it's all about the images. So that's one. The only thing I've done, I distressed the edges with the distress ink. That's the only thing I've done. So, and they're slightly bigger. My paper is slightly bigger than the actual stencil. So I just had to trim like an eighth of an inch, like a little lozenge. So that's one. That's my favorite. With a postcard on the back. A postcard. Sorry, I keep calling it postcard. Post stamp. Then this one here with the butterflies and a little clock. That's the back with the angel. And last is this one. Okay, very simple. Let's put them in the album. Right guys, I hope you like these 4 vintage postcards. So we will be making some more. Not now, we're gonna leave a few weeks so you guys don't get bored and pull that eyes. I saw that, don't do that face anymore. Yeah, so we're gonna make some more in maybe next month. I do want to fill this album, so I want to fill it up completely. How cute do they look? Oh, love them, love them, love them. Right guys, if you like this video, please give me a big vintagey thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. If you wish to join my VIP membership, it starts from August, and then you will get 12 kits from today. So we get August, another 12 months in a row. You also get 20% off nominated discount that you can use on every single kit on the website, and also you get every month you get a bespoke offer that you can use across all my kit, and that 20% include the gift card as well, because you can buy gift cards for your friends and family, or your crafty friends, or for yourself. Okay guys, that's it. I will put all the links down below. Thank you ever so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.